Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Get Perfect, and my name is Vismay. So in today's video we are going to learn something more about Google Forms. We are going to learn how to make quiz with Google Forms. If you have not seen my previous video, I'll leave the link in the I button. Please go ahead and check how to make a Google form. So without wasting any further time, let's jump onto the video. Click on this plus icon for a new Google form. We'll name this as India quiz. Description is optional, still all about India. Okay. Once you click here, the form name changes. First question, what is India's national animal? Option is elephant, tiger, lion, zebra. Okay, now I want this question to be mandatory, so I'm clicking this required field. If you don't know what is mandatory, please go ahead and check my previous video how I've shown what is mandatory and why we click this mandatory field. Okay, here I'm choosing multiple choice. No, I'm choosing a checkbox where only one option, or I'll just choose multiple choice. Okay, a radio button. Then I'm just duplicating the same question. Here I'm gonna write national bird. Okay, so the bird can be pigeon, crow, peacock, sparrow. Okay, these are the two questions, and if I want to add one more question, I'll add one more question over here. You can add question using this. This is also required. Now let's add the third question. So I'll click on add, and which year India got independence. Now I want a drop down over here. So the option 1 is 1960, option 2 is 1980, option 3 1940, last option 1947. Okay, this is also required field. So all these I have given 3 questions. Okay, I think 3 questions are more than enough. I'll give a theme as what would be the theme as? Let's check something like this. Okay, this abstract looks good. So I'll click on that, say insert. Yeah, this looks good. The font basic is the very good font. Now once I set up the questions, I'll go to settings. In settings you can see quizzes. I'll just enable this, make this as a quiz. So what does it say? Immediately after each submission, release a grade. We'll give in grading for everything. All these responses, keep it as it is. Here only limit 1% for one response only. Presentation is not required. That's all it. And say save. So when I click this, click on the answer key, give 2 points for every question. If you want to give any feedback, you can, otherwise it's optional. here you have to select the right answer. So whenever a student or a person who is giving this quiz completes his quiz, he can see what is right and what is wrong. So I am giving all the right answers and I am also giving points. Okay, this is done. Then click on this answer key, peacock. This is also 2 points. This is done. And this answer key 1947, 2 points, done. Okay, so now all the answers are being given. Now let's see. Now let's do one sample quiz and go to review. Okay, all the fields are required which are marked in asterisk. I'll deliberately select the wrong answer, tiger, pigeon, and I'll select this right answer and I'll say submit. Okay, once I say submit, or once the student selects submit, your response has been recorded. View score. Once you view the score, see what is the national animal. This has been marked red because the answer is wrong. The correct answer is lion. What is the national bird? The pigeon is marked red as the answer is peacock, and this is marked as green because I have given the right answer. So if you want to send this to your students or anyone you want to give this, you can send it using an email, a link, or an embedded link which I have explained in the previous video. Please go ahead and check the previous video before checking this video. Okay, so hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. And yes guys, please stay at home and be safe. Thank you for watching. Bye.